Welcome students to ND's English Grammar channel on YouTube. This video is for class 10 CBSE and the topic is English The Black Aeroplane from Two Stories of Flying. Now, para-wise summary. The Black Aeroplane is a story by Frederick Forsyth which explores themes of decision making, perseverance, and a mystery. Let's break down the story and offer a real world perspective. Para 1. Setting up the journey. The story begins with the protagonist or the hero, a pilot flying a plane from France to England. It is a peaceful night and he is eager to meet his family after a long flight, motivated by the thoughts of having breakfast with them. So, the pilot is flying to England and wishes to have a nice breakfast with his family. Real world application. In real life, it's crucial for pilots to plan journey, consider factors likewise weather, fuel, and section highlights importance of anticipation and preparation in travel and logistics. Para 2. Encounters with the storm. As the flight continues, the pilot notices dark storm clouds ahead, which pose a significant risk. Despite this, he decides to fly through them, driven by his desire to reach his destination quickly. So when he encountered the dangerous dark cloud, he did not want to go around because of fuel, but he had strong desire to be with his family and have the breakfast, so he entered the dark cloud. Para 3. Inside the storm. Inside the storm, the pilot loses control with his instruments malfunctioning and visibility reduced. He struggles with fear and uncertainty, making it a tense moment in the journey. Now, inside the cloud, every gadgets or machinery in his aeroplane stopped working and he was hopeless and lost, but he kept trying. Now, para 4. Mysterious guide. Unexpectedly, a black aeroplane appears beside him and its pilot gestures for him to follow. The mysterious guide him and helps him navigate through the storm safely despite the eerie circumstances. Now, all of a sudden, all from nowhere, a black aeroplane appeared and the pilot hinted him to follow him, and the black aeroplane, mysterious black aeroplane, guided him through the dangerous storm. Para 5. Safe landing and unanswered questions. Once through the storm, the pilot lands safely but is astonished to find out from the control tower that no other planes were in the sky at that time. The identity of the mysterious guide remains unsolved, leading readers to ponder over the mystery. So, the pilot was in a mystery, he could not solve it, that who guided him. Now, this story has a message that when you have a strong will, you can succeed, you can get out of danger. And in this case, he had strong will to be with his family, have the nice breakfast, and maybe it was his illusion The black aeroplane was his illusion, and his strong will guided him through the cloud. Or the black aeroplane was a mystery. So the story leaves us to think that sometimes our strong will helps us to get out of danger, and sometimes some mysteries happen which we cannot explain. Our sense of knowledge, sense of science, that remains unsolved. So students, please read out your story thoroughly, and then check these small points to be clear with it. And after each paragraph you can see real world application, which I have avoided here, but you can see. So please watch out for more videos on this topic and subscribe to ND's Grammar channel on YouTube. Thank you.